The Dassault Rafale is a testament to French aerospace innovation, blending elegance with raw combat power. Its design reflects the aerodynamic refinement typical of Dassault Aviation's lineage, boasting a delta wing configuration paired with active canard. This arrangement not only grant it exceptional agility but also confer superior lift and handling characteristics across various flight regimes. The Rafale was conceived as an omni-role fighter, able to perform air supremacy, ground support, reconnaissance, anti-ship strike, and nuclear deter mission seamlessly, transitioning between test roles during a single sortie. One of the most striking features of the Rafale is its digital flight control system. This fly-by-wire technology provides precise control input, compensate for the inherently unstable airframe, and enable the aircraft to maneuver aggressively without compromising pilot safety. The relaxed stability design improves maneuverability and responsiveness, giving the Rafale an edge in close quarters aerial engagement and high-speed intercept-like. Integrated into its flight systems is a high degree of automation, reducing pilot workload and enhancing combat effectiveness during complex mission profile. The cockpit is designed with a glass panel interface and a wide-angle holographic head-up display, paired with voice control and hands-on throttle and stick, OTAS controls. These features allow the pilot to access critical information and manage onboard systems without breaking focus from the mission or losing situational awareness. The panoramic screen provides real-time data fusion from various onboard and off-board sources, offering a synthetic view of the battlespace. This unified interface ensures the Rafale's pilot remain fully informed and combat-ready in any environment. Powering the Rafale are twin Snecma M88 engine, each equipped with full authority digital engine control (FADEC). These engines are designed to offer high thrust-to-weight ratio, supercruise capability, and efficient fuel consumption. The M88 provides the Rafale with enough power to operate effectively from both land base and aircraft carrier without the need for catapult, thanks to its naval variants reinforced landing gear and tayouk. Its engine configuration also allows rapid acceleration and sustained performance in combat scenarios, contributing to the aircraft's strategic and tactical versatility. In terms of stealth, while the Rafale is not a true stealth fighter, it incorporates a significant degree of radar cross-section reduction through airframe shaping and the use of composite materials. Engine inlay are carefully designed to shield the compressor blade, and radar absorb materials are used throughout the aircraft's structure to minimize detectability. These stealth enhancements complement its electronic warfare capabilities, making the Rafale difficult to track and target. At the heart of the Rafale's combat systems lies the RBE-2A active electronically scanned array radar. This radar provides long-range detection and tracking, simultaneous air-to-air and air-to-ground engagement, and high-resolution mapping. Unlike mechanically scanned arrays, the AESA radar can steer its beam electronically, allowing it to perform multiple functions simultaneously without physical movement. This system enhances the Rafale's ability to detect stealthy adversaries, engage multiple targets, and adapt to dynamic threats on the battlefield. Supplementing the radar is the Spectra Electronic Warfare Suite, a powerful integrated defense system capable of threat detection, jamming, decoy deployment, and evasive countermeasure. Spectra acts as an electronic shield, protecting the Rafale from enemy radar-guided missiles, surface-to-air defenses, and tracking systems. By identifying and classifying threats early, Spectra enables the Rafale to engage or evade with precision. It also supports terrain following flight and covert operations in high threat environment, providing a strategic edge in electronic warfare domain. The Rafale is armed to the teeth, capable of carrying a broad range of munitions on its 14 hardpoint. It can deploy air-to-air missiles such as the Mika, Meteor, and Magic 2, depending on mission requirement. The Meteor, in particular, extends the Rafale's reach well beyond visual range with its ramjet-powered propulsion and advanced guidance, providing a formidable deter against distance threats. For air-to-ground mission, it can carry precision-guided bomb, scalp cruise missile, AASM modular weapons, and laser-guided munitions, delivering surgical strike with pinpoint accuracy. For maritime operations, the Rafale can launch AM-39 Exocet anti-ship missile or deploy guided munitions against naval vessels, ensuring French force maintain sea control or deny enemy access when required. In nuclear deter mission, the Rafale is certified to deliver the ASMPA standoff missile, giving France a reliable airborne strategic capability. This variety of armament underlines the Rafale's capacity to handle any conflict type, from asymmetric warfare to high-end peer conflict. Operational flexibility is another defining attribute. The Rafale can be launched from short runway, austere airstrips, or aircraft carrier, thanks to its rugged construction and carrier-borne adaptation. It is capable of rapid turnaround and high sortie generation, essential for sustained operations during intense combat phase. Refueling in flight further extends its operational reach, allowing deep strike mission and prolonged patrol far from home base. The Rafale is fully interoperable with NATO systems, making it a valuable asset in coalition operations. In combat exercises and real-world deployment, the Rafale HAS proven its mettle. It HAS flown combat mission in Afghanistan, Libya, Mali, Iraq, and Syria, showcasing its versatility in both air superiority and precision strike role. In test sitters, the Rafale HAS performed high-value target elimination, close air support, reconnaissance, and strategic bombardment with consistent success. Its endurance, survivability, and adaptability under combat pressure have earned it accolade from allies and neutral observers alike. The Rafale's multi-role capability is backed by real-world modularity. A single aircraft can be reconfigured quickly for different missions, whether it's air policing, interdiction, or escort duties. This adaptability reduces logistical strain and allows operators to do more with fewer airframe, a valuable trait in modern, budget-conscious defense strategy. Mission systems are updated through software, ensuring continued evolution without the need for complete hardware overhaul. In terms of logistics and maintenance, the Rafale is designed for simplicity and efficiency. Ground crews benefit from an integrated diagnostic system that monitors all critical components and report maintenance needs in advance. This predictive maintenance philosophy ensures high readiness rate and minimizes downtime. The Rafale's modular subsystem allow rapid part replacement and streamlined servicing even in field conditions, which is critical for expeditionary operations. Globally, the Rafale HAS found favor among several countries. Egypt, Qatar, India, Greece, Croatia, and the United Arab Emirates have chosen the Rafale to modernize their air force. Each export deal HAS demonstrated the aircraft's adaptability to diverse operational doctrine and climate. For instance, the Indian Air Force HAS modified its Rafale with specific equipment suited to Himalayan operations, including engine modification for high-altitude performance and cold weather reliability. Such adaptability enhances the platform's global relevance. The Rafale is also a cornerstone of France's defense strategy. As the only combat aircraft in service with both the French Air and Space Force and the French Navy, it provides unified air power across all theaters. This commonality simplifies training, logistics, and deployment strategy. French Rafale regularly participate in NATO exercises, international air shows, and multilateral deployment, strengthening France's defense diplomacy and reinforcing its strategic autonomy. Ongoing upgrades are ensuring the Rafale remains future ready. The F4 Standard introduces Enhancement Radar Performance, Secure Communication Links, Artificial Intelligence Assisted Decision Making Tools, and Improved Weapon Integration. These upgrades respond to the evolving nature of warfare, particularly the emphasis on data connectivity, unmanned teaming, and multi-domain coordination. The Rafale is also being prepped for manned unmanned teaming, where it may command drone in a force multiplying role. What sets the Rafale apart is not just its raw performance, but the strategic philosophy behind it. It is a product of France's determination to maintain independence in defense capabilities. Unlike many Western aircraft, the Rafale is fully sovereign. Every component, sensor, weapon, and software is developed and manufactured within France or by trusted partners. This autonomy ensures full control over upgrades, deployment decision, and technology transfer, a vital aspect for nations wary of foreign dependency in critical systems. Its aesthetic appeal, with flowing lines and refined symmetry, belies the brutal efficiency of its combat capabilities. Whether flying low-level penetration mission at treetop height, engaging adversary at supersonic speeds, or orbiting in a defensive combat air patrol, the Rafale moves with unmistakable grace. It is as much a symbol of national pride as it is a tool of modern warfare, embodying the fusion of art and science in military aviation. The psychological impact of the Rafale in contested airspace cannot be overlooked. Its presence sends a message, one of technological superiority, operational readiness, and decisive capability. Pilots trained on the Rafale often speak of its intuitive handling and responsiveness, describing it as an extension of their own intent. This pilot aircraft synergy results from careful human-machine interface design, which enhance reaction time and reduce fatigue during long or complex missions. The Rafale's future appears secure. With continued upgrades, growing international interest, and expanding mission profile, it is poised to serve well into the next generation of air combat. Emerging technologies such as directed energy weapons, assisted threat evaluation, and collaborative autonomous systems are already under study for potential integration. Its adaptable airframe and open architecture make it a suitable testbed and operational platform for such advancement. A fighter that bridge fourth and fifth generation capabilities, the Rafale stand uniquely positioned. It does not rely solely on stealth to survive, instead, it integrates sensor fusion, electronic warfare, agility, and range to thrive in both contested and permissive environments. Its balanced approach offers operational commanders a wide toolkit of responses, enabling both kinetic and non-kinetic effect in a multi-domain battlespace. Its legacy is still unfolding, but the Rafale HAS already carved out a distinguished role in global military aviation. A blend of elegance, power, and versatility, it represents the enduring value of thoughtful design and independent innovation. It is a machine born not from compromise, but from clarity of purpose, to dominate the sky across any mission, any condition, any threat.